Here discuss about the elevation and classification of the species. Let us see the natural selection.
Let's take the example of brown and green beetles. Observe how the beetles adapt to a changing environment. Choose from the environment options and the selection factor and notice the change in the population of these two beetles. We found that the best genetic fitness for the surviving conditions allowed the beetles to have more brown offspring in the plains and green offspring in the forest. This is known as the theory of natural selection, set out by Charles Darwin. The theory states that in each generation, individuals with the genes most suited to the environment are likely to survive and reproduce, whereas individuals whose genes are not suited are less likely to reproduce. Thus, over a significant period of time, the genetic makeup of species will change due to this evolution. Speciation is the process through which new and distinct species are formed in the course of evolution. Speciation can be classified into four types: allopatric, peripatric, parapatric, and sympatric speciation. Tap on each to learn more. The characteristics of organisms help us to identify the evolutionary relationship between different species. Two important characteristics are homologous and analogous characteristics. Tap on each to learn more. Choose the homologous or analogous organs from the drop-down menu and select different pairs of species. In each pair of species, tap on the correct part or organ of the second species, which is similar to the highlighted part of the first one. Evolution is a slow process of change from a simple to a complex structure. The evolution of life began billions of years ago, and humans have evolved both physically and mentally. Use the timeline on the screen to learn about the early forms of life. A phylogenetic tree is a graphical means to depict the evolutionary relationships of a group of organisms.